a new video. Today we're going to show you how to take out cash withdrawal from this machine. It's called Cash Express. So you can use Visa, cards. I don't see MasterCard. Yeah, MasterCard is this, and Maestron. So what you do, you insert in your card here. Come in, insert the card in. Okay, once you insert the card in, it's gonna tell you to enter PIN. Then you put in the PIN. Then you say enter. After enter, it's gonna ask you print current, offline, whatever. Then you can say no. Do you want to continue with the slip? We say no. And press there. Then it takes out the card. Please take your card and put the card again. Put say transaction cancelled. I think Cash Express. I took it out. I think they have the machine have some issues, but let's put it back. Putting in the new card. It's gonna ask me the PIN. Enter. Okay, I'm gonna just accept this time. Say yes. Okay, when you accept it, that's when it's gonna say withdraw. First button, second button, you press here, withdraw, and then say please wait. Savings or whatever, then 1, 2, 3. You come to the third button, which is second button, which is savings. You press that. Then ask you how much you want. So here I'm gonna say my other amount because I'm looking to take out 600 instead of 500 here. Then I'm gonna put 6. Okay, I'm taking out 600 rands. Then I'm gonna say, after doing that, I'm gonna say enter. So we're waiting for the money. Your money should come down here. So please wait. Transaction is being processed. Please wait. It's a bit slow. Okay, then it's gonna give you your card. After giving you the card, then it should give you the money here. Okay, here's the money, guys. 600 is here. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. This is the ATM, Cash Express. Okay. Yeah, so but I think the charge is a little bit more than what we usually pay. Yeah, thanks.